Well, this is me and Si trying to shelter from the rain after our tent got blown in the sea and it's drying off, and the rain's been going on for all day long now, so we're just trying to, I don't know, keep happy, wait for our tent to dry and then we can sleep in that. But it's pretty horrendous weather out there. It's still blowing a gale. I don't know if you can see, but miserable. But anyway, we're having fun.
Come to Greenland.
Come to Greenland, yeah, brilliant.
Very fun.
Had a good time, pleased to meet you, you look a real fine. Glad you came to, the pleasure's all mine. Hope that we meet again. If you give me the chance, I will take it. The future is blind, it is what you make it. You've gotta keep trying till destiny finds you. Cause I don't know where I'm going or where I've been to. Just following the signs that can mislead you, and passing the time till I met you. It's you that takes my breath away. It's you that leads my mind astray. The direction of my path leads straight towards you. The feeling in my heart is to adore you. Thoughts in my head are to explore me and you.
For people who didn't think there was white water in Greenland, I don't know if you can see how many flies there are, but there's a lot. With the mosquito population really high, everything's just disgusting. It's pretty overwhelming. I've never had flies like it in my life. After 6 weeks in Greenland, we realised it wasn't just about the kayaking. That was a small piece of the picture. It was more about the adventure, the wilderness, and the excitement of being the first person to kayak a river.
Gotta stop this selfish intoxication. Man, put that stuff away, 'cause it is killing my inhibitions, turning my blue skies to gray. It's just an added complication that is getting in the way. And another conversation